Live with breaking news. This is ABC 27 News at 6.
We continue to follow that breaking news out of York City. Crews now demolishing the warehouse that was left in ruins after a massive fire last night. Good evening, I'm Sarah Wilson. Thank you for joining us. Flames and thick black smoke could be seen coming from the building at Albemarle and Elm Streets throughout the night. Right now, the warehouse is still smoldering as crews begin to tear it down. Our Mackenzie Gerald is live at the scene. She joins us now with more. Mackenzie.
Sarah, it's been a very active scene for about 24 hours now, and we did reach out to local community members. They tell us that they're in shock. Roads are blocked off as demolition is underway at the massive warehouse located on Elm Street in York County. As crews continue tearing the building down, you can smell harsh and strong burning scents as hot spots continue popping up. Officials say an intense fire started ripping through the building around 6:30 last night. Those who live nearby the scene say dozens of emergency crews, including those from York, Dauphin, and Lancaster, were on scene and battled the blaze throughout the night.
It's up till 2 o'clock this morning, still hearing fire engines. And so I don't know if it was started up again. Somebody said they thought it did.
Parker James Hooker lives adjacent to the building and says this warehouse was still being used. I mean, you can see some cardboard boxes and other items stacked up inside. Hooker says he has lived here for almost a decade and he has never seen a fire this intense, and that seemed to be the case for everyone we spoke with.
I see it the next morning, but by that time the firefighters already died down the entire fire. But other than that, I didn't get to see a fire like this ever happen in my life.
A spokesperson for the city of York says the fire may affect gas and electricity in the area. According to MetEd's outage map, almost 24 customers are experiencing no power right now. And I just recently spoke with Captain Westover with the York City Fire Department. He does say that they will continue demolition throughout the night, and then tomorrow they will continue that if needed. He says they are also asking the public for assistance, and if there was any video anyone might have of this building around the time that the fire started, that would be around 6:30 last night, to send that to them so they can come to determine what could have caused this fire. Reporting in York County, Mackenzie Gerald, ABC 27 News.
Mackenzie, thank you so much.